Hi, my name is Dr. Maria Nagy, and I'm the CEO of Quorumex Diagnostics.
I'm Dr. Angel Rivera, and I'm the CTO of the company.
And we are developing an at-home COVID test. It's kind of like a pregnancy test, but for COVID. So you will be able to pick this up either at your local drugstore, or we can mail it to you directly. Essentially, you will take a swab, you will take a nose sample. You don't have to go up all the way, just halfway, and that's plenty good. And you'll take a little nose swab. You will take the swab, put it into a tube, squish it, and then drip it on to the test in about 15 minutes. Similar to a pregnancy test, you're going to have either one line or two. You're going to take this, you're going to take a snap with your phone. The information will get uploaded to the cloud, and it will go to a Teladoc service, or you can look on here and it'll verify if it's positive or negative, and if you have COVID now or not.
The important thing to remember here is that this is an antigen, not an antibody test. An antigen means that we are detecting proteins produced by the virus at real time. This is happening now. It can then help us to know if you're sick or not without symptoms, and we can treat you or quarantine you, whatever is necessary. But this COVID now means real-time protein expression of the virus.
So far, we've identified the manufacturer. We have a working prototype. We've identified 3 hospitals for clinicals, and we have identified a potential distribution channel with a popular Teladoc service that is located in 40 states with drugstore kiosks already available. We are fundraising so that we can test patient samples, get through manufacturing, do clinicals, and then EUA, FDA approval, which takes about 2 weeks under the present circumstances. We have the brains. Now we're looking for the brawn. We're looking for you to help us finish building this test. Thank you.
Thank you.